How did I make this slight motion video post? With enough motion that captures the eye when you're scrolling through a news feed. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. To start with, I made an Instagram post in Canva, blank one, and then I'm going to go into the video area and look for a beach scene. I've chosen this beach scene and I've just pulled the corners of it to make it bigger so that it takes over the whole of the post. Then I go to the elements area and look for a rectangle. I can actually type R on my keyboard to get a rectangle as well. And I've chosen this rectangle. I'm changing the sidebar and making it wider, and the top and the bottom bars to get it to the right height for me, and move it into the area that I want it to display. And then I've clicked on the colour and changed it to the orange colour that I want. Then I go to the text area and I'm going to just click on my heading text and then type in all of the text that I want it to display, which is new course coming, I'm busy working even when I'm out of the office. I'll move that text up on top of the rectangle. We'll also put it to the left alignment and line it up properly. And then make it white in colour so it displays better on the orange background. And I'm going to make it bold. I then go to my folders area where I have stored my branding images, and I find the image I want. Then I'm going into the edit image button and I'm looking for the background remover. If it's not showing in the top area there, you can scroll down until you find it. I apply that, make my image a little bit bigger. I could clean up that bottom bit, but I'm actually going to hide that down the bottom anyway, so I'm not going to make that effort. And I'm then going to put a shadow in as well, so I'm going to put a drop shadow. So I've, once again in that edit image area, I use the drop shadow, and I'm going to drop the shadow not to the right. I want to change that. And I'm going to increase the shadow so that it shows a little bit more. And I'll apply that. If you don't see the shadows up the top, remember to scroll down the first time you use them. They will show further down the page. And if I press the play button, I can see that my post is looking how I want it to look, with a little bit of shadow movement, waves and palm trees moving, and my 3D effect in the front. And then I can just simply go to my download area and save the MP4. I hope that was a tip that helps you out. Don't forget to follow me.